Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Senappa. So in this video we will see what is braking resistors used in VFDs, why it is used and what is this function of these resistors we will see in this video. Okay, so normally bigger rating motors are operating when bigger ratings motors are operating through this VFD. Once these motors stopped or disconnected from power, the motor will be running for a while due to this movement inertia, okay, or any reverse load, okay. When the motor is running without power, so some energy is created inside the motor and it will feed back to the VFDs, okay. That case the VFD will have problem, or it will damage, or there will be a malfunctioning inside the VFD due to this reverse power from the motors, okay. So to avoid this reverse power fault or reverse power damages, in many VFDs we will connect some resistors, okay. This resistor will work as a braking resistor, which will take that reverse load and it will convert that energy to heat, okay. And also it will make some back EMF to the motor and it will hold that shaft, like it will act like a brake, okay. So we will see how this is connected with the VFDs, how it is working, okay. Okay, now this is the circuit, like VFD is connected with incoming supply L1, L2, L3 and the outgoing is connected UVW to the motor, okay. When this VFD is operating this motor, VFD will give power to the motor, okay. So the motor will be running, okay, as per the speed set by the VFDs, okay. Once this power stopped, okay, once this VFD stopped the feeding power to the motor is running without power, some power generated inside the motor and it will feed back to the VFDs, okay. So this this is called kinetic energy, okay. This energy will feed back to the VFDs and it will damage the VFDs inside, okay. Inside some DC bus or some circuit it will damage, okay. So to avoid this effect, we will connect some braking resistors with these VFDs, okay. If you normal small types VFD, it is inbuilt, there must be some arrangement to manage this kind of problems, okay. But if you take big VFDs like locomotive or big conveyors or any elevators and also crane motors, okay, this is bigger ranges motors, okay. For this case, to avoid this kind of problems, we need to connect external resistor, okay. So this external resistor will consume that reverse the kinetic energy. It will convert that energy to heat, okay. Also it will work as a brake, okay. So in this case there will be a external resistor connected, okay. This is called brake resistor, okay. So if you see any VFD, there is a provision for this external resistor, okay. External resistor. First, as I told, small VFDs, there is a internal arrangement that will take care of this kind of problems, okay. But when we go bigger motor, so we need to connect external resistor to avoid this kind of problems, okay. Now once this motor give reverse energy to the VFDs, this resistor will consume that energy, okay. That will convert that energy to a heat. That means this will act like a heater, okay. So resistor means it is almost like heaters, okay. So this is the case, this is why we are using this braking resistors, okay. External resistor is called braking resistor. This resistors will act like a motor. This when this motor is giving reverse energy to this VFD, this resistor will act like load for this motor. Okay, so this will consume that extra energy and it will convert to the heat. Okay, also this will make some effect to hold the motor stopping, or it will stop the motor start rotating. Okay, so this is how this braking resistor affecting in this VFD circuits. Okay, so once you decided if you want to use this braking resistors, you have to calculate carefully. Okay, you should not put bigger rating, also you should not put lower rating of this. Okay, if you put a bigger rating of this resistor, it will damage your motor. If you put smaller rating, the resistor itself will burned. Okay, so this is the most cost effective system. Also this is mostly used in as I told, locomotive, cranes and elevators. Also this is mostly used in the stepper motor application in industries. Okay, so in VFD, the connection also I explained where we can connect in this VFDs. Okay, if you see any VFD, there is a DC bus provision is given for connecting this external resistors. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you understood whatever I explained. Okay, if you have any doubt, please write in comment, I will reply you. Okay, so if you're first time watching my channel or if you are new for my channel, please do subscribe and watch my previous videos posted also. Okay, so I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye from Senapa.